Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Monday versus ClickUp. We'll dive into their core functionalities, user interfaces, and overall value propositions to help you decide which platform best suits your needs. This comparison will highlight key differences in features, customization, and pricing structures, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each tool's strengths and weaknesses. Let's get started by exploring their unique offerings. Notion stands out for its incredible flexibility, acting as an all-in-one workspace where you can build almost anything. Monday. Shines with its highly visual interface, making project tracking and team collaboration straightforward with its colorful boards and automations. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a feature powerhouse, offering a vast array of tools for every aspect of project management, from detailed task lists to advanced reporting, catering to diverse team needs. When considering cost, all three platforms offer free tiers, but their paid plans vary significantly. Notion provides great value for individuals and small teams, with scalable options as you grow. Monday. Calm's pricing scales with features and users, making it suitable for teams prioritizing visual management. ClickUp offers a very comprehensive free plan and highly competitive paid tiers, making it an attractive option for those seeking extensive features without a premium price tag, accommodating teams from small to enterprise level. In summary, if you prioritize ultimate customization and a unified workspace for documents and databases, Notion is your go-to. For teams that love visual project management and streamlined communication, Monday. Calm is an excellent choice. And if you need a powerhouse of features for every conceivable project management scenario, ClickUp delivers. Carefully consider your team's unique requirements to select the platform that will truly empower your productivity and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.